This is a review on 7,000 garden landscaping ideas. Have you ever wanted to create amazing outdoor landscapes for your home? I've just discovered this and you need to check it out. You'll love it because it makes landscaping laughably easy.
Just happened? How come we're not laughing? All our wires are getting crossed. Rumors divide us. Time to reunite.
The product offers step-by-step blueprints and pictures of over 7,250 different landscaping designs. Inside this massive database, you'll find backyards, front yards, gardens, patios, decks, walkways, lawns, and many more.
Picture perfect sunny day, everyone together. Color the blue sky, feeling the rain. Paint yourself a perfect picture. We can make it so much better. The future's ours to lose. All you can dream of, don't be afraid. Paint your...
This has been a review on ideas for landscaping, suitable for beginners and professionals. Ideas for Landscaping is currently running a huge promotion. Simply click below.
We'll be right back.